Hello there. We have now come to Lotli at a place called as Ancestral Goa. But I am not going to take you inside the Bigfoot, I am not going to show you anything else because this is something I am going to show you separately. But why I have come over here is to get something that is amazing, amazing. I am going to show you a set of 3 different museums. Yes, 3 different museums in one place. And what are these museums? This museum, the first one I am going to show you is the Left-handers Museum. Next, we will go into the Cross Museum, and later on we will go into the Rosary Museum. But right now, ladies and gentlemen, just follow me into the Left-handers Museum. Ladies and gentlemen, do you know what is so different about these left-handers? कोंकणीन आमी तांकां डावकुरे म्हणटा, डावकुरे sorry. But in schools, we have made fun of these people. You will be surprised to note that being a left-hander can take you where on your careers and in your lives. Ladies and gentlemen, this concept by Mr. Sanjeev Sardesai has put before us the amazing quality and the achievements of those people whom we call as Daukure. So let us go inside and see what these Daukures can do, what they have achieved. Come, follow. I'll show you my left hand also. Come. Ladies and gentlemen, I am really shocked reading at these lefty facts. Did you know that 10% of all the people on this earth are lefties? They are better swimmers, and out of 7 most recent US presidents, 4 of them are lefties. 4 of them are lefties. I am trying my best to use the left hand now. You never know, you may see me as the president. 1 of 4 Apollo astronauts were left-handed. They reached the space. And 56% of what you type on your keyboard is completed by our left hand. Ladies and gentlemen, let us just see who these people are who are lefties. You will be stunned. अजाप जातले तुमकां अजाप. हे दावखुरे पळय आसा ते कोण कोण आशिल्ले ते. Let us see them individually now in this museum of left-handers in ancestral Goa in Lotli. Ladies and gentlemen, as I walk around, this image is over here, I really come to know what is the potential of a left-hander. आम्ही धांवकुरे धांवकुरे म्हणून तांची फकाणां करता, बट हे सगळे धांवकुरे तांणी आपणाचें नांव जगान सामकें वयर काडलां. एंड हू बेटर देन Mahatma Gandhi himself. He was a left-hander too. Ladies and gentlemen, one more fact that you should know about is that this is the only of its kind museum of left-handers in India. So when you come here, you will be watching something exclusive available here in Goa. This is the Left-Handers Museum in ancestral Goa, Bigfoot at Lotli. So here there are two more museums, and we will go and see the Museum of Rosaries. After that, we will see another very unique and highly appreciated museum, that is the Museum of Crosses. But till then, watch these gentlemen who have created a niche for themselves in the world scenario.